Alright, if you are having trouble with subtracting, I want you to watch Miss Reagan's video about subtracting with regrouping, okay? Borrowing, subtracting with borrowing. It's very important. That is when you have more numbers on the bottom than on the top. If I have 0, nada, can I take away 3? No, because I have nothing. Some of you have been putting 3 here. That's not the answer. 3 minus 0, 3 take away nada, is 3. But 0 take away 3, you cannot do that. So if you have more on the floor, on the bottom, you borrow from next door. So your next door neighbor. We're going to Miss Reagan. Miss Reagan, Miss Reagan, can I borrow a 10 from you? Because this is the tens place. So we're taking a 10 away from her. She says, yes, of course. The 9, if we're taking away 1 10 from the 9 becomes an 8. There are now only 8 10s in Miss Reagan's classroom. And we get that 10, that little tens block, okay? So instead of us having 0, we now have 10. That's why I put this 1 right here, because 1 and 0 is 10. What is 10 minus 3? Well, now we can figure that out. You can either use your hands. If you haven't memorized, that's a lot better. 10 minus 3 is 7. And I can check my work by starting at 7 and adding 3. 7, catch my 7. 8, 9, 10. I added 3. Did I get to 10? Yes, that means I'm right. Always check your work. Okay, now Miss Reagan had 8, and we're subtracting 5. If we have 8, can we subtract 5? Absolutely. Take away 5, and it is 3. You should know that already. If you don't, please work on it with flashcards or something. All right, now we're in the third, the hundreds place. 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9, 8 minus 9. Some of you would put a 1. That's not the answer. If I have 8, can I take away 9? Absolutely not. So what do I need to do? I need to borrow from Miss Kylie or somebody. Miss Kylie, can I borrow a 10? And yes, we're in the thousands place, but we're still borrowing only 10s, okay? And Miss Kylie's gonna say, yes, sure. So the 3 is getting smaller because we're borrowing something, we're using something from Miss Kylie, and it becomes a 2, we're taking it away. And the 8, because we're getting a 10 from Miss Kylie, this 8 is gonna add 10 more. So what's 10 plus 8? It's 18. That's why this 8 becomes an 18. So now we have enough to subtract. Can we subtract 18 minus 9? Absolutely. What's 18 minus 9? Well, I know that 9 plus 9 is 18. So 18 minus 9 has to be 9. All right. My last one, I always have to remember my last column. It's very important. What is 2 minus 2? It's 0. If I'm subtracting, do I need to put the 0? I don't have to, but I'll just do it anyway. So my answer is 937. There you go. Don't forget to borrow and make sure you're looking. You have to look. If it doesn't need to be borrowed, then just subtract like normal. But if you don't have enough on top, then you need to borrow from your vecino, your neighbor. Not your actual neighbor, but the math. Okay, good luck. You got it.